More than 1 billion people in this world suffer from this condition of high blood pressure. High blood pressure is a lifestyle disorder. It can be corrected, it can be improved, and person can come out of this whole problem. He has to put his effort. Here are a few ways through which you can control your high blood pressure. Number 1. Right exercise. Among the group of exercise, the first comes walking. Person should know how to walk, when to walk. Now, walking could be done before eating food, and that walking should be a little bit brisk walking. Never allow your breath to get fast. Don't become breathless, but walk nicely. Walk for 45 minutes if possible in the morning, and half an hour in the evening. Other exercises could be relaxation exercises every 2 hours. If person is doing shan for 5 to 10 minutes, he can really keep his blood pressure in control. The other relaxing arsenal could be lying down, arsenal like yasi as and stick post or bhadra, or lifting your leg up and down. Taking to the side, that is as bad. Gusta doing certain acids like mats and crossing your legs and lie down. Cross your legs in sukhar and lie down. These are very good relaxing arsenal persons should be doing. Our extremities have to be exercised when the blood pressure goes high. So these are those arsenals. You should do some pranay. And the best pram for high blood pressure is pran number 4. That is, inhale while breathing up, exhale, while putting your stomach down again. While inhaling, move your abdomen up, and while exhaling, push your abdomen down. But do it in a relaxed way. Whenever you get a chance to lie down in this position. Also, when you are doing Shaban after that, do this program and then start your activities again. So knit all these things in your day-to-day activities. Understand what kind of exercises you should not do. Number 1, student. Number Scotch. Number 2, too much bending forward and staying for a long time. Number 3, any such posture which makes you breathless. Avoid it. Don't do it. Do all these exercises regularly. Exercises are a must because while doing exercise, you are relaxing every muscle of your body, every nerve of your body. So these arsenal are most important. Food is another major factor that affects your blood pressure in taking right food itself. Acts like a best medicine. Avoid foods which are high in salt and sugar, and also avoid food that are excess in saturated fats like fried stuff, spicy stuffs. Avoid non-vegetarian food, and stop smoking and drinking. They are no good in any case. So what are you going to eat now? Sufficient amount of fruits and vegetables? Good 4 times in a day. Fruits and vegetables should go eat citrus foods regularly. Pumpkin seeds, spinach, and wheat. All this contains nutrients which relaxes your blood vessels. Beans and berries are excellent food also. So try to follow these food habits, and keep your blood pressure in control. Third factor, right? Emotions. Ultimately, every disorder finds its roots in mind. Yoga says that root cause of every disorder is in mind. Primarily, high blood pressure is a psychosomatic disorder. Some common traits are usually observed when people suffer from high blood pressure. Usually aggressive behavior, usually doing everything speedily. If things don't go right, getting disturbed and angry, always anxious and stressful, things don't go right. According to your way, you can't control everything. So person is always under stress. So such emotional states can increase the blood pressure beyond dawn. So check your emotion and learn to be calm and accept people as they are. Persons should develop the attitude of faith and gratitude. Surrender all your worries to God and nature. Believe that everything whatever is happening for your own good. Be happy. All high blood pressure is a serious issue, don't take it lightly. If you get affected by high blood pressure for long, it is going to affect your kidney, your liver, your heart. All the vital organs would be affected, and that would not be right. So try and follow the instructions, given exercise rightly, eat rightly, and manage your emotions also rightly, and live your life happily.